Welcome to my welcome to my welcome to my last is it the last day? My last day of April special. It is messing with Rossetti. Oh no, we're gonna get screwed. I'm gonna do it all the way till we get screwed over. Okay, but first we're gonna see the right way. Okay, we have a mystery City amiibo. Hey. Alzia. Okay. I don't know why it goes so fast. Let's go set. Before I go, other things, set clock. Yeah, we're gonna change it to 8:11 a.m. April 30th, yay. Don't try this on your home gamecube, at home. This is to show you that this is inappropriate to reset your game. To reset it's inappropriate to reset an Animal Crossing land. Okay, now let's get to hello. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mr. Steady. Have we met before at the post office, perhaps? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, let me just say thanks for buying this game, Animal Crossing. On behalf of Nintendo, what was the next part? Forget it. That's enough. Let's get down to business. What a day, say. Because you might not know it's because I got issues to say. First, let us tell you what I'm doing. Just there, so no, this rather happen later on. You, my friend, with the reset button, maybe by accident. You just turned off the power. That's bad. Don't turn off the power in the game. Okay. Setting is like pressing emergency button. You press it. Also, you gotta save before you turn off the power. If you don't save, it counts as a reset. I know power outages count as a reset. Like, I kind of think that's stupid. Crazy. Okay, anyway. Let's stop talking about Mystery City. Okay, yeah, it's my Nintendo game here, we in my matter. Okay. So anyway, don't reset the game. If you do it, then you're grounded. Only I'm allowed to do it. It's a Let's Play. Parents, please ground kids if they hit the reset button on Animal Crossing any game. Hopefully I don't have to see you no more accounts. Ram. Alright, now they just don't want to see me anymore. Aw, shit. Hit the reset button. Alright. Alright, you again. I should have known how I'm feeling about you after I went you told not to human nature. Listen, you get the whole reset thing started and you'll never stop. I've seen it a million times. You think this is a game? Oh, games have rules. Rules have consequences. Alright, blah blah blah, shut up. Sign up here. Pause, sign up here. Just, pause, sign up here. Next time you see me, I'm gonna wear my angry hat, and that's the one ugly hat. Don't reset again now. Trust me, this one is... Keen. You'll be here a while. Wait a second. Now scram. That's the funniest. Alright, scram. Alright. No, they're gonna be I think we should see if they're actually gonna be wearing their angry hat. There you go. Let's see if they're... That is April 30th. Y'all set to go? Yes, I'm Rodrigo. Is this my bitch? Oh, bitch. You. So where are you going? Let me ask you did you just you mean you're trying to reset? Reset, I'm talking to you. Resetting the game. Listen to me, Rodrigo. You think you can fool me? You fool myself. And study. See, it's like... Alright. Whenever you reset... That's so bright. It's so bright it hurts my brain. Yeah, just something. Not being able to use it over and over, that's called life. And you best get used to it. What is that? It's just a game. Don't make such a deal of... Yeah, GT. It's just a game. What is that? I'll tell you what it is. That's authentic. Yeah, what's that? Speak up. Let me just give you some examples of what I'm talking about, okay? Sir, you pay attention. Just saying over and over again. Just an item or to erase an unfortunate incident. Sounds familiar. Rodrigo, this is just the kind of juvenile and disgusting style of gameplay that we want to avoid. Where's the satisfaction in the cheating? Bro, life, sight, everything. And it has come to the owner, that noble graceful, and it's a whole lot easier to do in the game. That's take it back. Right now, scram. Animals don't take baths. There we go. Okay. This is getting so shit. Ah! Hey, hold up a minute. Oh, you. Don't pretend you don't know me. Get your tail over here. Hey, where do you think you're going, you little jerk? I said get your tail over here. Hey, where do you think you're going, you little jerk? I said get your tail over here. Hey, where do you think you're going, you little twerp? Hey, where do you think you're going, you little twerp? Hey, get your tail over here. The only thing you can do is check the mailbox. Unbelievable. What are you doing? Don't make me chase you. Hey, where do you think you're going, Oliver? You think about others. What if that just... You just gave me what I asked. What's that? They moved here. You're going to creep me out or steady. Oh, yeah, alright. Oh, yeah. That's not gonna help. That's no idea. I did not. I'm saying, like... Look at me when I'm talking to you. If you hadn't resent in the first place, you wouldn't be here getting your tail chewed off. Okay, you got no tail, but still jump off. Boo. You know too much blah blah blah. No way. What the fuck? No way. What, are you mocking me or something? No way. You mocking me? Got it. Scram. Hey, what's mocking Mystery City? Oh, anyways, I gotta say, it's nice to meet you. I'm Ricky's older brother. My name is John. Yes, my other, you're a real head case. It's not older brother. You let me off easy like the first time, as we say. Now, next time they're gonna make us write an apology. Alright. Well, alright. Now, next time they're gonna make us write an apology. Well, let's not reset again. Ah, who reset? Dimension reset. Rodrigo. Hmm? Where's that? Oh, God! You think you're getting away with this? You got another thing. Stop resetting, you hear me? What don't you get? Huh? Oh, phew. All that screaming at you, everything went all back. You, but it was pushing it far. The only one who failed to understand, you listen to me. Cause it looks like the cell line found somebody gotta drop this drop. Yeah, we're gonna test the room out. I think if we reset like 61 times then the rumor comes. It was switching like mad. No more forgiveness and forgetful. We say it right now. That's it. It's just. Okay, that's word. Right now, and pay attention. The same as me. No more forgiveness and forget you always say you now. Until you real regret. I ain't leaving. Alright, what do you do exactly? I'll ask you got it. That ain't working. And all me got it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, listen up, troublemaker. I'm not a troublemaker. No more worthless. I'm sorry, mystery say garbage. No, you gotta say exactly this. You screw it, you do it again. Let's see. Yeah, that will work. You ready? Here goes. Say I love moles. Wrong. No way, you twerp. Wrong. No. Yeah, I love moles. What? I did it right. I love moles. Last time it made me say I'm sorry. What? Come on. Yeah, there we go. Really, Mystery said he does make you say I love moles. I mean, sorry, no joke. Don't forget it. Alright, now we're done. Now please subscribe for some more videos. Bye.